Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making a meatball and pasta bake using the Deluxe air fryer and oven. I am making just a half batch today. So I'm using the 8-inch square brilliant square pan. And to this we've got half of a block of cream cheese, and then you need half a pound of tubular pasta. So this is some that I had left over from a different recipe. I weighed it to make sure I had 8 ounces, which is a half pound. And you're just gonna put that dry pasta all around the edges. We're gonna add sauce. I'm gonna use the easy opener. So this little feature here is going to break the seal. You're just gonna make a little dent. Just wanna grab it a hold, there we go. And it makes a dent in your jar so that you can easily open it, just like that. We're gonna pour half of the jar here because I'm using just half. And I'm just eyeballing it. Put a little bit more. Since I'm making a half, I'm gonna enjoy using the other half to drizzle extra over the meatballs. I like those extra saucy. I've got 2 cups of chicken broth here. This is, I made chicken in the Deluxe multi-cooker yesterday, so this is homemade, but you can use the box kind if you want. I'm gonna remove that fat from the broth. Just go ahead and put it right over the top. And this is going to absorb into the pasta to make for a delicious dish. Now you want to go ahead and stir your pasta just a little bit, make sure it's all submerged. And this is going to cook at the same time as the meatballs. If you want to, you can add a little bit of crushed red pepper, but I'm going to leave it just like this. Go ahead and cover it with foil. This will keep all of that steam locked in. Let's turn on the Deluxe air fryer and oven, and we're gonna use the sync feature finish here so that they will both be done at the same time. So it has you first set up your bottom compartment. So I'm gonna turn till heat and crisp lights up, push the button in. It defaults to 350 degrees and it defaults to a low fan. And I want to increase the time here to 55 minutes. Press the button and then it goes right to your top. You're going to turn the dial until bake lights up. It defaults to 350 degrees and we want this one to be for 25 minutes. And now it's preheating. I'm gonna make homemade meatballs today. All of my ingredients are in here. It's ground beef, some seasoned breadcrumbs. Mine were actually plain, so I added Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, egg, a little Parmesan, and we're gonna go ahead and put it into the Deluxe Deluxe stand mixer. So what I love about the stand mixer is it does all of that messy work for mixing meatballs for you. So turn it to mix. And then you're gonna reduce the time to just 45 seconds. And then hit start. It's gonna combine our mixture for us. Did you hear that beep? That's the Deluxe air fryer and oven saying it's ready and preheated. Meatballs are ready to portion. I'm using the medium scoop today. We want to divide up this meat mixture into about 20 meatballs. I am using the rack from the air fryer and oven. So you're gonna lightly roll your meatballs to make them nice and round. If you don't wanna make homemade meatballs, you don't have to. You can just make your pasta bake and not do the sync finish with both recipes cooking at once, or you could do some frozen meatballs. I made the half batch of pasta and a full batch of meatballs because I can use the meatballs for other things. So if I don't use them all for this meal, I can always freeze them and I'll have my own prepared meatballs ready for a different day. Okay, it's time to cook. I'm gonna open the big door and we're gonna slide these meatballs right into the oven compartment, and we'll put the pasta in the bottom compartment. Close it up, hit start, and off it goes. So this bottom compartment has started the countdown for 55 minutes, And once the time has reached the start time for the meatballs, it will automatically turn on and do its work. When there's 10 minutes left, you're going to take the foil off and we're going to blend everything together. Your cream cheese is nice and soft. Cheese sprinkled on top. Okay, back in it goes. Last 10 minutes. Check out the cheese on this pasta. The crisp cycle at the end of the cook time browns the cheese perfectly, and our meatballs are done too. Let's get this plated up. This will be a hit for every family that loves pasta. Look at that. I love that burnt cheese that shows up on the end. If you like extra sauce, go ahead and spoon some on top of your meatballs. And there we go. Meatball and pasta bake in the Deluxe air fryer and oven.